This is the one, correct? Just give a meaningful name. Who created this? Okay, this retro things can go meaningful name. Okay. So it can come with the same sprint name. Okay. So it can be consistent. Okay. Not multiple user stories based on the multiple features. Learn how to write more than THA. One user stories for one features. Good. I wrote user stories and updated. This English punctuation need to be fixed. I wrote user stories and updated Agile. Nothing is for you from you. What happened? Why didn't you do anything?
Sorry, what?
Why didn't you update the retro board?
I didn't see it. I'm updating it right now.
Why didn't you guys communicate? Just say, hey team, this is the same thing. They split it, but no like a communication in the chat. Okay. I need to understand how to break down the user stories into small. Okay, that's it's true. And I need to improve given when. Okay, that's good. And then I need to improve. Okay, actually, I need to keep my day-to-day activities up to date. Okay, that's good. Like that. And spending more time understanding, accepting, and okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, go ahead. We are waiting for. Only one, only two. What is the action item? Faria, what will be the action item?
I'm doing it right now. I'm done.
Okay, you guys done too? That's more often I'm writing more user stories. Okay. All right. So, Faria, how is your 1 week like? What is your experience so far? What do you think? What do you like? What do you dislike? What do you think is to improve?
You mean this week?
Yeah.
I think one improvement is that I'm I'm writing a lot of user stories, and I've kind of gotten the hang of how to write it. It doesn't take me a long time to write it as it used to before. Before I used to just list the acceptance criteria, but like now I do it in a format after the show and tell.
Okay, so it's good. The user story is coming along, and then it's getting better. And so many user story can be written because based on the functionality you see.
Yeah, if you understand like the base and foundation of the acceptance criteria dependency and the prerequisites, it doesn't take that long.
Okay. All right. So and then are you guys also mapping like a story goes to the feature goes to the epic?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, as I mentioned, the thing I wrote like 5 or 6. Yeah, 5 or 6 user story under one features. And check
Okay. So how do you estimate your user story? Now, if I ask you the question, because this part is important, how many user story have you guys written and why, like why less and why not more, or why? What do you guys think?
So as far as I know, I wrote like about 15 between the last Wednesday to last night.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Last Wednesday to last night, 15.
yeah.
So do you think 15 was enough?
No. Like I need to.
Because yeah, we cannot continue. That you need to do a lot more. And then
last week I did 10, this week 15.
Because and we show you the tips and tricks how to like the clone it and write a lot of user stories.
Yeah, I mean, just like that. So just when I learned it doesn't really take that long, and I don't have to do a whole lot of writing.
If you understand correctly, yes. Okay. And what about Fozia?
I write a couple of those.
Okay. Not enough, right?
Yes, but I'm taking understand the right format.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
You said you were going to go over the user story I wrote for the portal. You gave me a user story to write about the portal, the chat function.
I'm going to, yes. I'm going to now.
Okay.
So let's go. And then work items. Okay. What is the feature name? Let's go with the backlog. What is the feature name? Faria. Chat. Where's the chat? Faria, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, I can hear you.
What is the chat feature?
It's called I think enhancing chat feature.
What is the feature?
It's a number 63. Enhance the current.
No, I ask you, what is the feature? What is the feature number? This
Yes,
one?
63.
43?
63.
Feature number?
63.
Okay. Let's see. I see all the user story. I'm asking you, what is the feature number?
Yes, I said 63.
Is this the project in this project?
No, I don't think it's this one though. No, I don't think this is ours. To go to the for you. Yeah.
Good.
It's number 63.
Let's go back here. Got it. Well, let me see it. Yep, got it. Okay. Enhance the current chat feature. Okay. This feature information will be quite different. Okay, let me go check here. So this is the only 4 you have written, is it? Aria,
Yes.
is this the 4 you have written?
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay. So you said this is the look. So on this scale, what is the problem?